This is the home of one forest creature that has lived here in the Congo for 44 million years. Picathartes. These birds mate for life, and the male reaffirms the bond by displaying to the female. They're building a mud nest on the underside of the boulder's overhang, where it'll be protected from the rain. The female takes the lead. The male doesn't seem quite so skillful. Oh dear. Luckily, she can put things right. Now she's collecting the soft furnishings. He's brought some too, but he still can't get it right. In the end, the female seems satisfied with the finish, and just in time. It might look as if he has been banished into the rain, but in fact, they're a great team. They share the incubation, 12 hours on, 12 hours off, for the next 3 weeks. In due course, there are mouths to feed, and now the male must prove his worth. Worms are a good start, and he's doing well. But the chicks are insatiable. Fortunately, other things are on the menu. He might be a poor nest builder, but he's redeeming himself now.